Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to see someone's liked videos on Instagram. So for that, let's head over to our Instagram application. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account, and to check that, head over to your profile. And if you see you have logged in into your account, then just head over to your followers or following section. So let's head over to our followers, and here I'm just heading over to this account. And if I want to see their liked reels on Instagram, what I need to do, as I'm currently on their profile, I have to tap on the three dots icon on the top right. It will show a layout, and there are several options like restrict, block, report, about this account, see shared activity, hide your story, and many more. So we want to see the shared activity of this person on Instagram. So just head over to see shared activity. And here you will find several options like tags, likes, and comments. So we're heading over to likes. Here you will find the liked videos of them if we head over to the option of liked by them. So if they have liked on any reels or videos, you will find this in here. And you can also filter them by newest to oldest or oldest to newest and date too. It can be all dates, past week, past month, past year, and you can also set a date range. So once you're done, go back, and here you can able to find the liked reels of that person on Instagram. You can also see their tags and comments too. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.